How to make your Telegram channel popular. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can make our Telegram channel popular, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to make your Telegram channel popular, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Telegram application. First of all, you have to understand what a channel is. So a channel is basically something that you give updates about. If you join a certain channel, you're going to get updates about those groups and so on. In this case, if you join a particular channel, you can see all the updates they are giving. So if you also own a channel like this, you can see this channel actually owns 60,000 subscribers. If you also have a channel, you want to make it popular, there are some really key differences. The very first thing you should actually make sure is that you don't have a private channel. So just make sure that your channel is actually a public channel in this case, because if you want to make your channel public, of course you can just scroll down to your channel here, tap on it, and then just tap on the edit option and make sure that your channel type is set to public. After that, also make sure to enter a link that is clickable to everybody. And the last but not the least, of course, the content, because content is king. No matter how beautiful channel logo you may have, if you don't provide proper updates that people are looking for, you will not be able to make your channel grow. This way you can actually make your channel popular on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.